Correct. It automatically ensures that you have that 1.5 degrees per second rate.
Okay.
To softly touch on the nose. We're all set if you guys want to close loops.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Can I just feel the motion of control right now, or do I need?
Oh yeah, you could play around.
So the side-to-side motion, what is that? Does that do anything?
I believe it does nothing.
Okay, so it's really just these two axes, side to side.
Correct.
And
correct. So roll, pitch.
Rotation. Okay.
The pedals also produce some yaw effect, but again, we for the most part keep our feet off the pedals
until
we're on the ground and we're derotated.
Okay.
So once we touch down, we derotate, then we can take our hands off the stick, put our feet on the pedals.
Okay.
And control.
We're gonna close it, Scott.
All right.
What's this button do?
I don't believe that button does anything.
Launches the missiles?
Correct. Yes, that's the abort self-implode button.
Computer's ready.
And it's active. That's the eject button.
Pilot's ready.
Mission at peak.
So what you're going to want to do is take your hands off the stick until it goes operate.
Operate.
All right. Now you could grab a hold of the stick.
Okay.
You want to put small inputs in. All right. So again, you are controlling the circle with the 3 lines coming off of it.
Okay.
What you want to do is you want to take that circle and you want to put the horizontal lines and align it with the triangles on either side.
Okay.
Just like that. And then you use the diamond cue as your lateral reference. So you want to center the diamond with the circle with respect to lateral. Just like that. So now at 3,000 foot, you'll start to see some triangles coming up from the bottom.
Okay.
All right. That's just a cue letting you know that you're going to start to pitch back. There you go.
I want to follow that?
Exactly.
Okay.
So you just want to maintain those wings on those on the triangles themselves. Just like that. That's perfect. Beautiful. So as we come into the runway here, the triangles will disappear, and we're going to want to put those horizontal lines at the end of the runway. So just pull back a little bit. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Just like that.
Oh, the horizontal lines in the... Okay.
Correct. That's exactly what you want to do. Have a nice soft touchdown. All right. Now, we don't want to put any roll or pitch in. All we want to do is take that button and push it forward and hold it.
Okay.
All right, 180 knots. I'll deploy the chute. All right, now that we've derotated, you can take your hands off the stick and press back and forth with the pedals.
Okay.
That's your rudder.
Okay.
Which allows you to steer to left or right. And then you also have the pedals themselves, the toe pedals.
Oh, I see.
Which can provide differential braking, or we can come to a complete stop. And again, you have the cues on either side of the runway that tell you how many thousands of feet you have left. So that 4 stands for 4,000 foot left. That's it. That's all you gotta do.
All right.
You want to try this one more time?
Sure.
Computer's ready.
Pilot's ready.
Mission at peak. IP. Operate.
So again, you can take control.
Okay.
I won't declutter you. You have
do I have control right now or not?
You do have control.
Oh, I do, okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, I do.
So you're just a tad bit high and
all right,
just to the left. It looks good. Coming up on 3,000 foot, we'll start to see the triangles coming up from the bottom. Alright, we're good. We'll pull back. Looks good. Yeah, just like that. Beautiful. Once those triangles disappear, just pull back a little bit. Just like that. Good job. We'll just float down to a nice soft touchdown. Alright. There you go. I'll deploy the chute.
Thank you.
No problem. And you got about that 7,000 foot to go.
Oh man, it's amazing the motion. Cool.
Are we doing one more, or?
Yeah, one more at Kennedy, and then you should have a little bit of a crosswind, and this will be last run.
You want to bring in a night scene?
Do you want a night?
Sure.
So how much training do shuttle pilots have on this?
Computer's ready.
Pilot's ready.
Mission IP. IP. Operate.
So a combination of this, they also have a, it's essentially a Learjet with a control system that gives a feeling of the shuttle itself. So between these two, they have about, Stella was saying, what, 500 to 1,000 hours of training before they actually get into the shuttle. So,
All right, I'm a little confused on what.
all right, so you want to pitch down a little bit?
Okay, there I am. I
Yeah,
see.
everything's kind of cluttered up. Let me help you out just a bit.
Oh, I'm way off, aren't I? Oh, there I am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're still looking good. So you just want to roll to the right a
I
little
see.
bit.
Okay.
Anticipate that pitch up.
Oh, wow, we're already pitching up, huh?
Yeah, we're about at 1,000 foot now. Everything's looking good. Alright, just pull back. There you go. Beautiful. Soft touchdown. There goes the chute. You could derotate.
So do you guys simulate weather in here as well?
We don't do anything like rain or snow, but we'll have
Cloud cover?
cloud cover, you know, low visibility, crosswinds, and then we'll have navigational offsets. We'll have blown tires, and then there's about 24 different runway sites that the pilots go to.
I see. Is there that many sites that they actually land at?
Normally they'll either land at Kennedy or Edwards,
Okay, that's what I was thinking. There was just
but
the two.
but there's a bunch of emergency sites they could also go to.
Okay.
Which you can bring back to dock, please. We have about 23 different sites that that they practice landing now in case of an emergency.
And that's for like, in case of a contingency that just.
Correct. In case of an abort, something goes wrong as they're taking off before they get into orbit, or if the weather's not appropriate for the landing site that they're intended to land at. So a bunch of different variables come into play.
Cockpit, please remain seated, strapped in, headsets on, and tell me to the door.
All right.